Good morning, students. Today we'll be discussing about biomass and what is the storage of biomass, different microorganisms. So, what is biomass? The total mass of living matter within a given unit of environmental area, like plant material, vegetation, or agricultural waste used as a fuel or energy source, is called as biomass. So what are the types of biomass? These are woods, crops, garbage, landfill gas, alcohol, fuels. So next is we'll discuss about what are the biomass resources. So first is wood in agriculture. Biomass is like wood logs, chips, sawdust, bark, and other organic materials. The next is solid waste by burning garbage, heat, and energy is produced. Then landfill, methane gas is produced by the bacterial decay of dead plants and animals. Next is alcohol fuels. Wheat, corn, and other crops can be converted into a variety of liquid fuels, including ethanol and methanol. Then next is what are the converting biomass energy into a usable energy source. So in this direct incineration, bacterial decay, fermentation, adding a yeast to biomass produces an alcohol called ethanol. In conversion, biomass can be converted into gas or liquid fuels by using chemical or heat. So next is what are the uses of biomass? In this, 80% of biomass energy is produced for residential use, and then 79% of biomass we use today comes from burning woods and chips. And then biomass is used to heat homes. Wood is burned in open fires or wood pellet boilers and stoves. And then 18% of biomass is produced for industrial use, and then 2% of biomass energy is produced for transport. So next is what are the advantages of biomass? In this, the main advantage of biomass are many more. The mains are the biomass is renewable fuels to the source. Biomass energy production result in minimum environmental impact. Then employment generation in rural areas. Next is alcohol fuels are efficient and clean burning. The next is the availability of biomass fuels is universal. The next is what are the disadvantages of biomass? In this, when combusted to produce energy, it contributes directly to global warming. An expensive source to produce and convert. On a small scale, there is likely net loss of energy, as energy must be put into grow the plant mass. What is the future of biomass? In this, infinite fossil fuel resources are depleting. Our dependency on oil must be reduced, and renewable forms of energy generation will be required to serve the global energy requirements. In this, Ireland has a goal of 16% use of renewable energy by 2020. So today it accounts for 10% for the world energy consumption. So next we'll come to the conclusion. In this, today we have looked at various different aspects of biomass, including the sources, including the conversion of biomass to usable energy sources, and into the use of biomass in the advantage and disadvantage in the future of biomass. So as we introduce the biomass to India, so India is a land of villages where energy required for domestic purposes such as cooking is met for dried woods, twigs and leaves of plants, and dried organic matter such as cow dung. So this organic matter called as biomass is available freely as a waste. It contains stored energy form. So what is photosynthesis process? In this chemical process that convert carbon dioxide into organic compound, especially sugar, using the energy from sunlight. So how the biomass energy conversion occurs? So the various process used for conversion of biomass into energy or biofuel can be classified as follows, like direct combustion, thermochemical conversion, biochemical conversion. So in direct combustion, the complete combustion of biomass into ash is called incineration. So next is thermochemical conversion. In this, the chemical reaction can convert organic biomass into more variable and convenient form of products such as gases and liquids. And next is gasification. In this, heating of biomass in presence of limited oxygen of air is called as gasification. It produces gases like fuels like hydrogen, carbon, methane, and nitrogen of low calorific value. What is fermentation? In this, fermentation is the process of decomposition of complex molecules of organic compound under the influence of microorganisms such as yeast, bacteria, enzymes. There is two types of fermentation. First is anaerobic and second is aerobic. So that's all about biomass and product of biomass. So if you have any query, write down your doubts in comment sections. Thank you.